Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video, we are going to be covering the 1 Minute Millionaire, moving on to the first manifestation. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Man, I gotta tell you, life is going incredible right now. So, my online business that I have running has freaking started dominating. If you want to check that out, go to winwithryan.com. Winwithryan.com. It is going phenomenal. We got a full, entire blueprint on exactly how to make success online, which is really, really exciting. My surfing has been increasing, getting better and better and better every day. Even though the waves have been crap, we're still out there catching them, and it has been just an absolute blast. I'm blessed. We just surpassed 200 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed to Win with Ryan, the YouTube channel as well. I'm very blessed. And not to mention that, as far as my personal success goes, the people who have started the online business with me are absolutely crushing it. And it actually brings me more joy to see their success than my success. So what I'm going to start doing is we are continuing this journey through the 1 Minute Millionaire, and I'm going to be sprinkling in some leadership talk as well, because I want to help other people become leaders, not just associates or employee mentality, but leadership mentality, not a boss leadership mentality, but an owner leadership mentality, a leader's leadership mentality. So today, though, we are going to finish up with this day's video with the first manifestation, which is I am enough. So the manifestation I am enough goes like this. Today, I am enough. I am smart enough, wise enough, clever enough, resourceful enough, able enough, confident enough. I am connected to enough people to accomplish my heart's desire. I have enough ideas to pull off magic and miracles. Enough is all I need. Enough is what I have. I have more than enough. So, going on here, as I do all that I can do, I am able to do more and more. I am excited to be alive. I rejoice and rechoice every day to make my life better. I am happy, healthy, prosperous, successful, rich, loving, loved, and beloved. I am comfortable with myself, so I am comfortable with all others. I confidently greet each day with a smile on my face and love in my heart. Everyone who meets me is warmed by the radiance of my attitude. I work on my attitude continuously. I read positivity, inspiring, and uplifting books. I listen to audio tapes and CDs and streaming during my driving and exercise times. I associate with friendly, caring, nurturing people who are involved doing important things. The people with whom I associate want more for me than I want for myself. The projects with which I am involved wow my soul. I am passionately on purpose to do good and help others do the same. I am enough, I have enough, and I do enough. So that is the manifestation of I am enough. I am enough, the first manifestation here. And this book has really, really been a great mindset trainer. It really has got me into the mindset. In fact, I was actually recently talking with one of my buddies, with Damien, and it was interesting because I'm going through some conflicts with some other business opportunities. They're not conflicts, but mental conflicts, because I'm not as in tune, congruent, as they say, as we talked about in the previous videos, with certain aspects of the business. And I'm trying to find my own lane, right? And so when you're going through these things, you'll have that in life. And what's cool is as I've opened up my mindset and I've opened up my ability to trust my gut, go with my gut instincts, have opportunistic eyes, it also helps me see where I need to improve on the things I'm already doing. So the book has been a tremendous help. I hope you guys go ahead and check it out, The 1 Minute Millionaire, The link is down below in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We got to get it up to 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you for all of your guys' support out there. And also, if you are looking to make some money online, winwithryan.com or click the link down below. Talk to you later.